Now you know about a good new option called local service ads or pay-per-call ads. Let's go through the advantages first and then the disadvantages and notes of caution. The advantages: better than PPC. 1. Let's compare this to PPC ads. With PPC ads, where you are seen on page 1 of Google, you are rotated with hundreds of others depending on how much you spend. Here is a rough idea for you. A company paying more is seen 1,000 times, and someone paying less is seen 5 times, automatically reducing the number of clicks. You can never compete with the big guys with deep pockets. Our mission is to help our local businesses thrive against the giants and win it with LSAs. You are seen on top of the page of Google with a green check mark, even before the PPC ads. A definite advantage over PPC ads. We'll walk through more advantages in the next videos. SVO.com. Text me carpet calls to 805-600-3335 for your free book.